Hello, I'm Mayor Philgood with your weekly update. A new public works project is starting next week. Expanded use of removable traffic bollards are being installed in several locations in the downtown area. A bollard is a short vertical post used to safely separate pedestrians from vehicles. The city has been using bollards on Whiskey Road during special events for several years, and they have been very effective. During the installation process, intersections will be fully closed for 24 hours a day. From March 10th through the 18th, intersections at South Cortez and Gurley Street, as well as on Cortez and Union Street, will be closed. From March 19th through the 27th, the intersection of Montezuma Street and Gurley Street will be closed. And from April 14th through April 22nd, the intersection at Montezuma Street and Willis Street will be closed. Detour routes will be posted during the closures and clearly marked. On-street parking restrictions will also be in place during the construction. Thank you in advance for your support and understanding. The project will help the city to ensure the public safety during the various parades and events that occur in downtown Prescott. The Prescott Tourism Office, Experience Prescott, is accepting applications for tourism grants, formerly called TAC and PAAHC grants, through Friday, April 4th, 2025 at 5 p.m. Tourism grants are designed to assist registered nonprofit organizations hosting events in Prescott between July 1st, 2025 and June 30th, 2026. The goal of the grant is to encourage event marketing, generally outside of the immediate Prescott area, to encourage overnight visitation. Tourism grants are funded by the city's transient occupancy tax, also called the bed tax. Events are eligible for up to $5,000, depending on their rating and how many organizations successfully apply. The grant is available only to Prescott-registered nonprofit organizations. Here are important dates for the grant process. The grant program is open now through Friday, April 4th. Applications are available online. There will be an optional information meeting for applicants this Thursday, March 6, 2025 at 3 p.m. in the Prescott City Council chambers, located at 201 North Montezuma Street, 3rd floor. While this meeting is not mandatory, attendance is strongly encouraged, especially for first-time applicants. Grant applications must be turned in no later than Friday, April 4th, 2025 at 5 p.m. Past applicants and new applicants are welcome to apply for the grants. Any grant applicants or new organizations thinking about coordinating new events are encouraged to come to the March 6th meeting to learn more. Attendance at this meeting is not required for an organization to successfully apply for a grant. All grant materials, including the application, a guidebook, and other resources, will be available on the official website, experienceprescott.com. For more information, please contact the Tourism Office. The Household Hazardous Waste event is taking place right now in the city of Prescott. This allows residents, not commercial accounts or apartment complexes, to safely dispose of unwanted household hazardous waste. The pickup dates will continue through March 28th. However, you must pre-register. Registration runs now through March 21st. Please check the PrescottRecycles.com website to see what is allowed and what is not allowed. All items must be placed in a box labeled HHW in front of your home 6 to 10 feet from the curb so it can be safely and easily seen by our contractor for pickup on your scheduled day. Please call PrescottRecycles.com's team at 928-777-1116 if you have any questions. During last week's council voting meeting, we voted to place a charter amendment on the ballot in August. This amendment is designed to ensure that city-owned open spaces continue as such in perpetuity. We will decide on the exact ballot language soon. There are no council meetings this week. The next council study session and voting meeting will be next week, Tuesday, March 11th. However, there are several other meetings this week. The Council Subcommittee on Water Issues meets tomorrow at 9:30 in the Council chambers. The Mayor's Veterans Commission meets at 9 a.m. on Wednesday, March 5th at the Grace Sparks Activity Center on Gurley Street. Also on Wednesday, March 5th, the Workforce Housing Committee meets at 10 a.m. in the council chambers. On Thursday at 1 p.m., the Community Development Block Grant, usually referred to as CDBG, will have a Citizens Advisory Subcommittee meeting at City Hall in the third floor conference room in Prescott. There will also be a Workforce Housing Committee study session Friday, March 7th at 10 a.m. in council chambers. Finally, the Pedestrian, Bicycle, and Traffic Advisory Committee meets next Monday, March 10th in council chambers at 9 a.m. The City Council Subcommittee on Appointments is seeking applications from citizens who are interested in serving on various city boards, commissions, and committees. There are openings on the Building Safety Advisory and Appeals Board, the Fire Board of Appeals, and the Workforce Housing Committee. Boards, commissions, and committees provide opportunities for citizens to take an active role in their local government, and I encourage you to consider applying. The City of Prescott Civic Enhancement Committee is now accepting Acker Trust grant applications from eligible nonprofit organizations that promote music and parks, especially for the children of Prescott. These nonprofit organizations are encouraged to apply for funding for fiscal year 2026. The application filing deadline is 5 p.m. next Friday, March 14, 2025. Applications are available on the City of Prescott website. I'm Mayor Philgood, and I'll update you again next week. Thanks so much for watching.